Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. So, this one's got a little bit of a story to it. Did you guys watch? I actually had a prior review where somebody from the Discord gave me this Lowrey to review, and I gave like a really good review because, you know, it's light, it's inexpensive, it's smooth. But my only gripe was that, you know, the magnets were weak. And I know that they came out with these new titanium ones that are blue, and they're thinner, and there's black ones. I guess they're anodized. But the owner of Bruce Charles Designs contacted me, and he's like, hey, you know, we're doing some prototypes with some stronger magnets. Do you want to try it out? And I was like, yeah. So he sent me this. Okay. Yes, I love that he does a little drawing on there. I want you guys to see the address. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh, sorry. I don't want to leave this open. All right. So, oh gosh. Okay. Melanie, here's an extra strong Lowrey and a blemished Robertson for you. Oh yes, I'm so excited. So he couldn't sell that other slider, so he gave it to me. And I was like, I don't care about blemishes. Shit, I love blemishes. I'm basically like one big blemish, you know? Oh. I love that he has each one in a box. Ooh, it looks so fancy. Okay. All right, let's rip that bad boy open. Okay, so, oh my God, I cannot believe that I have a prototype. Oh my God. It's like my opinion matters. Not really. Okay, so I'm sorry. I should really look at the Robertson first, but I gotta look at this Lowrey. Okay, and I've got the original one right here, ready. Okay. Oh, I feel like I need like some like music to like set me up, like a drum roll or something. Maybe like the Star Wars theme. While I have the knife open. All right, oh my God. Proto extra strong. Okay. Come on. Damn it. Come on, baby. Let's see. It's poking. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. It's thinner. Right? I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, let's see here. Wow. Holy shit. Look how beautiful. So like one side is stronger and louder and one side is not so strong. That's the whole purpose of these. So, but first I want to see. Yeah, no, I think they are the same. So this is the exact same thing. Aluminum. Gosh, it looks so weird when it's nice and shined up and beautiful. Gosh. Okay, well, enough waiting. That's the loud sound. I mean, that's the loud side. I know that he said it's got to wear in a little bit. I'll go back to this one. This is significantly stronger. It is a 1, 2, 2-click slider. Sorry, just give me a second. The magnet strength is way, way, way better. Do you see what happens? Here, look. I go up, and then I go down, okay? I go up, it's coming off. I go down, it comes off. I go up, I go down. I go up, do you see? It's like a struggle to keep the plates together. Whereas this feels more like a regular slider. I don't have that problem at all. I can just focus on doing moves and stuff. The machine lines are... Wow, it's so weird. Look at that. Is this scratching it because of this? I know he said something about it having to wear down. Let's look at this one. Oh yeah, it definitely has to. This is smooth as silk. That's interesting. I kind of like the idea of a slider that will wear down over time. So does one side sound stronger than the other side, guys? Let me see. Oh, this is definitely louder. Oh yeah, because of that. Wow. Hear that sound? Gosh. I'm so used to the stronger magnets that it's like so weird to come back here, see? Gosh, these are... Magnets are definitely way better now. I still think... See, here's the thing. When it comes to magnet strength and sliders, it has to be proportionate to the weight of the slider. Okay, so like I just reviewed this haptic EDC. This is a 3D printed slider, so it's light. So it's not gonna need to overcome the weight of the slider. Whereas these are aluminum, so they're not that heavy, but they're definitely heavier. I mean, they've got some heft to them. So the magnet strength has to be enough to overcome the weight, because not only are you pushing and pulling on the slider, but you're also pushing and pulling on the magnets, and it has to have the right resistance. All right, so I actually think the magnet strength is way, 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 way better than this. But for the size of, it's not a thin slider. For the size of the slider and the heaviness of the slider, I still actually think it needs to go heavier. But I'm not saying like crazy heavy, but just a little heavier, it would be like perfect. It'd be like the sweet spot. And then, yeah, other than that, I'm curious to see, I'm curious to break these in a little bit more. because this one is like paper smooth on both sides. Look how smooth that is. And this, it's smooth too, but I don't know. It's making like a, ouch, fuck. It probably just needs to wear down. So I would say make the magnet stronger even more, and maybe make it so that when you buy it, it comes already smooth like this. Because one of the things that I really loved from this one is it's just smooth and it just glides and it feels so nice. But here, it's kind of abrasive. Maybe because of this thing here? I mean, this has that too. All right, let's compare. Let us compare. Let's zoom in, huh? Yeah, I think that this one is well loved. I think that's just it. I think it's just so used so much that it's just smooth. Okay, so I would say make the new one so that it's like this right out of the gate, smooth. Make the magnets just a little bit stronger. Also, maybe make this just a tiniest bit thinner. I know you made the titanium one thinner, and I'm actually gonna buy one of those. But yeah, a little bit stronger on the magnets, just a little bit. Smooth out the plates a little bit so that I don't have to work to get it to be this like silky experience. Feel that? I wish you guys could feel that. Ah, it feels so good. It's like it could just glide. Whereas this, it's like coarse, but I know it's gonna wear over time. But make it like that when it comes off the line. Make the magnets just, I mean, you actually don't even need to make the magnets stronger if you were to make the body a little bit thinner. I think it's a little, like, especially on the ends, I think it's a little fat. It's a little hard to grip sometimes. Yeah, I'd say a little thinner. If you made it thinner, you might not even need to change the magnets at all. Okay, all right, let's take a look at this for Robertson. Okay, I've seen these around and I've never, I never knew if they were good or not. But Sean Dumas from our Facebook group, he loves this thing. I never actually had my hands on it. It's so weird. Well, I wonder what the blemish is. Wow, it's like an empty slider. Where's the blemish? What the hell? Where's the blemish? I actually don't know how much these go for. Is this the blemish? I don't know. This looks perfect to me. Yeah. Well, anyway. Wow, look at that thing. Gosh, it's a hollow slider. Hold on. hold on. Oh. What is this plus thing? Plus? That doesn't... Ow! It pinched me. Okay, I love the design. It's awesome. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. So maybe because the magnets are set up that way, it tends to be when I go to click it, it jumps a little bit. Ow! Maybe if I just hold it this way. They're having trouble staying together, which is a little disappointing, and keeps pinching me there. I wonder what you could do. Now, I don't actually know if the answer on these is to have it have better magnets, because it's got good freaking magnets. I guess it's the air in between. Like, what is it supposed to slide on? Maybe if there was a track or something in there. Let me try to keep it together here. Okay. Okay. It's got surprising amount of grip. I can't get it to go down that way. All right, let me just try to go fast. It pinches me a lot. All right, well, cool as hell looking. And the magnets are great. It's really, really well made, but it's just hard to play with a little bit. It's just hard to play with. So, but thank you so much for sending me this thing. I love it. It's just hard to play with. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more to see what I can do to make it work a little bit better. Freaking awesome work with the magnet. I'm gonna try to break this thing in a little bit. See if I can get it smooth like the other one. But thank you so much for sending me the prototype, and I love it. And guys, I'm telling you, the Lowrey is a really, really good slider. I haven't tried the titanium one though, but I'm going to. But I do have a friend who just bought the blue titanium one, and he also said the magnet strength is not there. So I really think that the titanium one with this magnet strength would probably be, you know, hit him out of the park, because the titanium one is much thinner than this. Just check out their website. I think in here they've got some of the things. Yeah, Bruce Charles Designs. They're also on Etsy. But yeah. So I'm anxious to see if they're going to continue with these stronger magnets. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I hope you guys have a great night. Oh, and thank you, Bruce Charles. Thank you.